This video will teach you simple ways to copy and paste words, sentences, and other blocks of text in your Microsoft Word document. Highlight the text you want to copy. You can highlight words, sentences, paragraphs, or other blocks of text by left-clicking and dragging your mouse pointer over the text. Right-click the text and select Copy. Alternatively, you can click Copy on the Home tab. This copies the text to your clipboard. Instead of right-clicking the text or clicking Copy, you can also press Ctrl+C at the same time. Click the location where you want to paste the text. Right-click the location where you want to paste the copied text. A menu will appear with several options. You'll see a few different icons under Paste Options on the menu. Select a paste option. Keep source formatting, the clipboard with a paintbrush. This option pastes the selected text with its original formatting. Merge formatting, the clipboard with an arrow. This option makes the selected text blend seamlessly with existing text while keeping basic formatting changes like bold and italics. Picture, the clipboard with a photo. This converts the copied text into an image and pastes it as such. Keep text only, the clipboard with an A. This option strips all formatting from the original copied text and applies the new section's formatting instead. Paste the word. Go to the part of your document where you want to place the text that you've copied and then click on it. Choose Paste from the options that appear. If you just want to quickly insert the text at the desired location, press Ctrl+V to paste instead. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.